Fun with colors! Hello friends! Today let's draw a mermaid. Let's begin with her beautiful long hair. Do you like mermaids? Do you like drawing and coloring? Isn't she looking beautiful? Now let's draw the fingers. Let's start drawing the face, the eyes, nose and the lips. These are the eyes. Let's draw hearts on the face. Subscribe to the channel for more drawing and coloring videos. I got an idea. Let's draw a handbag that the mermaid is holding. Let's decorate the mermaid's dress with some beautiful designs. If you wish to color the same image of mermaid, you can go on the description box, click on the link given and download the image. It's ready! Let's color with fun with colors. Let's put pink color on the mermaid's face. Can you tell me which color is this? Yes, this is yellow color. Let's color mermaid's hair with yellow color. Do you like long hair? The mermaid has got so long hair. Let's color the mermaid's neck and the body with pink color. This is green color. Do you know this color? Correct. This is orange. This is blue. This is green color. This one is red. Do you know Which color is this? Correct, that's blue. And this one is pink. Let's color the handbag.